mother of Lord, I got something to unbox today. It's Batman from the 1966. Let's unbox it. Nature Cat is gonna weigh. Howdy ho. Alright, let's unbox it. Okay, let me try. Box. Come on. Wait, it's one. That's the wrong way. Drop the camera. Oh, there. Oh, whoa, we got unboxed. Your turn, Nature Cat. Okay, Nature Cat. Howdy ho. Nature Cat, it's to open the box of Batman. Oh, we got some chick. Ooh, chip. Batman versus the Joker. I love this character. And I'm sure this is a unbox character. Let me try to unbox. Okay. Oh my shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. This is the kitchen. What don't you say? Oh, socks. Is it from my bedroom? But dang, am I right? This is the only one. You can upload it to there. Okay, open it. Whoa, it's open it. Start open it. Just open it. Okay, this is the socks. Bam! Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Some action figures. Nature Cat is opening. Nature Cat is gonna open the action figures of Batman. Okay. Son of a bitch. Why? Son of a bitch. There we go. We got some we got Batman. Yeah, Batman. Wow. That's a Batman. How? What are you doing? Batman. Just like me. No. Oh, Batman. Just like me. Like Batman. I love Batman. Wow, Batman. Okay, let's put this on. Where's the Batman? How do you say? Oh, there it is. Put the Batman already. Wow. Fuck. Yeah, you get him, you fuck. Yeah, fuck. Fuck. Yeah. You got no legs. Yeah, fuck. Oh. We got a last one. Batman and the Joker. It's a Funko Pop. I like the Pop Heroes. Let's open it up. Fuck. Come on. Nature Cat is open. No, Hal is open. Okay, let's open it. Open it up. Why? Come on. Oh, there it is. Oh, what the? We got the penguin. This looks like a cute. Oh, it's a head. What's that? Here we got the Batman. Batman. So we have Amiibo, which is the 3DS. What? He speaks Spanish. I don't know what they are. Super Smash Brothers. If you character where you open it up. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, fuck yeah. No. How let's open it? Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's open it. Why you little... Open it, open it, open it, open it. Oh, okay, open it up. Let's open it up, open it up. Okay. Fucking son of a bitch. Son of a bitch, you son of a bitch. Fuck. Oh wait. That's okay. No fucking way. We can use this for Smash Brothers. Alright, that's all. Nature Cat out.